Hello everyone, welcome to Innovation with Ethan. And today's this video is like an announcement for my this YouTube channel. I am creating a new playlist where I will solve many problems from various top level CP related website like HackerRank, URI, Code Forces, and Topcoder, and many other platforms as well. But this video, this playlist is pretty special because in this playlist I will try to cover Linux shell of HackerRank. Okay, like simply go to HackerRank and in the prepare section you will get Linux shell section. Okay, and if we go there, then we get many problems here that you need to solve using Linux shell script bash. Okay, so what I will do, I will simply head over to this section and I will try to solve each of them serially, step by step. And don't worry if you don't have Linux installed in your computer, or you don't know how you can use Linux operating system in VirtualBox. But yeah, I will make one video later where I will show you how you can install Linux in your virtual machine, and I will also provide each step-by-step guidance on how you can install Linux alongside with your Windows as well. Okay, but for now it's not like that you don't use Linux in your current PC, so that you can't use this Linux shell and you can't solve it from Windows. It's not like that, because as you can see I'm using Windows 11 as well. So if you are using Windows, then you can also code along with me. And I know many of you might have this question in your mind that I will try to solve these Linux shell based problems, practice problems, so why not using Linux, right? And the question is pretty simple actually, and the answer is also simple. The main reason I'm going to do this from the Windows operating system is because I want all of you to solve it using your computer. And as most of you are currently using Windows operating system, so that I'm making the entire playlist in Windows operating system so that all you can practice alongside with me. Okay, otherwise you know that I would definitely use my one of the most very Linux distro, which is RC distro, right? So yeah, now your next question might be how you would code Linux shell directly from your Windows operating system. Do you need to use WFL from the Windows operating system or VirtualBox? No, nothing like that. You can code directly from your Windows operating system. Let me tell you how. Okay, so first of all you need to install Visual Studio Code. Pretty basic. Simply search in the internet for VS Code and go here and simply install it. Okay, simply download the stable build for Windows, and after then simply install it. That's it. And the next thing you need to install is Git Bash. Simply search for Git Bash and simply download this for Windows. If you click download for Windows, then they are giving you some options to download from, and I will suggest you to use the standalone installer. Now if you are using 32-bit Windows operating system, then you will select this, and if you are using 64-bit Windows operating system like me, then you need to simply use this. After downloading is simply install. That's it, nothing serious in particular, and then your computer is completely ready to go for using any kind of Linux shell script or solving these type of questions alongside with me. Okay, so that's it for today. I will see you in the next video where I will try to solve the first problem from the HackerRank's Linux shell. So see you there.